Alright, what's up everybody? In this video we'll be showing you how me and my buddy installed the classic front bumper on the 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. So this is the final product. And today we will be turning this truck into this truck. This video should not only be educational, but motivational, as we do not own or work in a mechanic shop. We are essentially hobbyists, and we were still able to knock this bumper out in a single day. So let's hit the lights and turn up the volume.
Oh man, give me endless time, never let these ties sever. Just breaking bottles in the yard, never steal my mind. Old ties and companions.
After you get all your tools together, unwrap the items in the box and lay them out so you can easily find everything you'll need. We began by putting on the mounts. To do this, we took out these two bolts. We had some trouble with ours because of this, so we unscrewed it up top so we had a little more wiggle room to work with. Then we placed on the mounts and put the bolts back through. We left this unscrewed because we'll need to remove these bolts again once everything is welded together. Then we held up the central part of the bumper to the mounts and simply tacked it on by the edge. The mounts fit perfectly into the curve of the central bumper, so it was pretty easy to get level. Then grind off any major lumps or bad tacks. Again, we just followed the design of the pieces to fit the side bumper parts onto the central bumper and tacked it on. Next, we put on the farthest pieces.
It's 100,000 miles, lonely track, holding back tomorrow. Someday I'll hop along and ride it home.
Probably the easiest part of this is tacking on the top triangular pieces. Just set them on top to where they fit and get to welding. Then we finished up any last tacks to ensure it doesn't fall apart during removal, especially around the mounts. Now that everything has been tacked into place, we took the bumper off so we can completely weld it, clean it, and then paint it.